Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining you the problem colored balloons. It was asked in Codechef contest starter 218. So let's read out the problem. There are n different colors of the balloons, numbered 1 to n. The ith color balloon costs exactly I rupees. Okay. Yeah, like I will cost I rupees. That is, a balloon of color 1 cost 1 rupee, balloon of color 2 cost 2 rupees, and so on. You bought AI balloons of the ith color. What is the total cost of the balloons you bought? Okay, yeah, it's an easy only. So let's understand the input. We have test cases, and for every test case, we have uh, you know uh, n, which is basically number of colors of the balloon, different colors, and then in the second line of each test case we have AI A1 A2 AN, which denotes basically AI balloons you have bought for ith color. So total cost will have to print. So let's understand they have given two test cases. In the first test case we have 1 5, in the second we have 3 1 1. So yeah, let's go to the board. This is the first test case. um, this is array and this is n. In the question what they're given is we have n different balloons, okay, and we have n different balloons, and this n is from I is from 1 to n. It's like you have 1 2 3 up to so on n balloons, okay. Now this ith balloon will cost ith balloon cost I rupees, okay. Let's say first balloon, first balloon will cost you 1 rupee, okay. Second balloon will cost you 2 rupee, third balloon will cost you 3 rupee. In the same way, nth balloon will cost you n rupee, okay. And they've said the ith balloon type ith balloon type is bought AFI balloons, right? Which means, let's say we have the ith balloon, which is bought AI number of balloons. Okay, so definitely, in order to buy AI balloons, you will be having cost like AFI into I, right? And basically, we have to find the cost. Your cost is going to be AFI into I, where I is from 1 to n. This is actually the summation formula. Let's try to understanding this. What they're saying is you have only one different balloon types and it is indexed 1, okay. So you have bought 5 items. If you have bought one balloon, so it would cost you 1 rupees, but you have 5, so it is costing 5, right? So the cost here is 5. In the second example, they've given 3 types of balloons. So you have type 1 balloon, type 2 balloon, type 3 balloon, right? So type 1 balloon we have bought only one, so its cost is 1 into 1, plus type 2 balloon you have bought one, again number of balloons 1 you have bought, but its cost is 2, plus type 3 balloon you have bought 1 and its cost is 3. So the cost here is going to be 6. Understood, right? So basically what you are trying to do is, in the given array we just take array element here, it is array element a of I, okay, the number of elements that you have bought into what is the cost of it. Cost is basically I, okay. Now in case of zero based indexing, so it is going to be I plus 1, right? uh, Here they have taken 1 based, but in array it is actually 0 based, so you can take a of I into I, summation of these things you can take, right? And I will be from 0 to n minus 1. So I think you guys have understood. Let's try to code it up. So let's go to colored balloons. Let's see the input. We have test cases. So test cases I've taken care here. For every test case I'm calling a solve function, and we have integer n. I've taken integer n. Now in each line we have balloons. So what we can do is we can take one vector a of n and we are taking its value. Now the cost initially is 0. Now the cost is going to be number of balloons you bought into what is the cost of it. Cost of it is I plus 1, right? Why I plus 1? Since it is 0 based indexing, so the first one is like I plus 1. Then you will have to display the cost. It is getting passed, but we can do this thing in this loop only. We should not be using this vector in order to optimize it. What I'll try to do is I'll take one value, sorry, number of balloons. Okay, so I'll put into number of balloons. Okay, now I'll take cost this above and I'll remove this, and your cost here will be number of balloons into I plus 1. I plus 1 is basically cost of that balloon, right? So this will also help you. It's like we have optimized the memory. Let's try to copy paste this in online editor. Let's try to submit. Yeah, it is getting fast, and it is getting all the tests are correct. So in this way you could have easily solved the problem. The main thing here was like whatever array element you have, it is like number of balloons into I plus 1 you had to do, because that balloon is costing you this much and you had this many balloons, and total cost is like summation of the entire array. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.